Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another week of groceries. Today I have a haul from Safeway and I spent $54.35. So first thing we got were these Powerades. They were 49 cents, limit of 10, and I just wanted to have them on hand. I had a bunch stocked up like Gatorade and all these things, and we've been going through them, so just wanted to grab them at 49 cents. These are the bigger bottles, 28 ounces. So great price. Their cheese was on sale, limit of 2. Their cherries were on sale, and they were limit of 3 pounds for, they were 2 something or $3 a pound or something like that. But I grabbed those. I got some peppers. They were 99 cents each. Some Dino snacks, Safeway Select snacks for the kids. Some more candy that was on sale. Just some fun treats. When they're on sale, it's cheaper than the Dollar Tree now. I got some lettuce, romaine, and then just lettuce. And then their sodas were buy 2, get 3 free. So I grabbed some Pepsi Cherry, Coke, 7-Up Cherry, Diet Pepsi, and then just regular Pepsi. So that's what I got for just under $55. No meat, nothing like that. There was no good deals that I needed. I will be getting some ground beef though from Kroger, so I will be getting some kind of meat. But it's okay. We're just using up things that we have meat in the freezer, and we're just using it up till we find a good price. And it looks like these cherries came from California. Okay, so my Kroger haul just got delivered. I paid $128 for everything. They charged me for a panini that I never ordered and that I never got. So I had to do a live chat and I got my refund. That was $6. So my total was like $133 and I subtracted that. I already got my refund. Okay, so I got some kale, 2 bunches of radishes, cilantro, some beautiful large lime. Berries were on sale, so I got 6. Cherries were on sale for almost $3 a pound, so I told them to get me 5 pounds. They got me like 4 point something, so that's fine. Some barbecue sauce, cucumbers, English cucumbers were like 89 cents each, so I grabbed a few. A bunch of candy. This was all 99 cents, so I grabbed a bag for each kiddo. Ice cream sandwiches for little Noah, and those were $1.99. Kit Kat bars were also on sale for 99 cents, so I grabbed one for each kid. Folgers half calf. I like to mix half calf with regular strength, and that's how I like my coffee. I don't like it too dark, too bitter, or too strong. So there's that. Some gas relief because, like I've mentioned, we've been having, certain people in the house have been having stomach and gas issues, like there's gas trapped in them, and it's like I think it's the Norway virus. I don't even know what Kaiser said, but anyway, we got some gas relief. This is the 93 lean ground beef. I got 5 of them, and those were just under $9 each. Red vines, this was I think 10 or 10.99 on sale, so I grabbed that for the kids, and then just some frozen pizzas, $2.99 each, and we're probably gonna cook up 4 of those, and then 1 in the freezer. But that is what I got in my haul today. I'm excited about all the meat. So just the meat alone, I think was like $44 or something, but we're gonna get a lot of meals out of that. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed my video, it's just 2 little short hauls this week, nothing fancy. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. If you have subscribed and you come back and watch my videos, I appreciate it, and I thank you so much, and I will see you guys next week in the next video. Bye-bye. You guys, today is Monday. It's Memorial Day, and I walked into Kroger with my husband. He wanted to go look at a few things, and I found some markdowns, and I spent $41.01. I know I closed this vlog, but I'm reopening it because I wanted to share with you guys. I found these beautiful Caesar salads, which we're gonna eat today. They don't look too bad. And then I love getting like stuff that has cabbage in it because it lasts for a really long time, even if it's marked down. So this is an avocado ranch chopped salad kit for $2. Fabulous deal. Some 50-50 blend greens, spring mix, 50-50 blend, and then our bunny likes to eat those as well. I found guacamole. My kids are in a guacamole phase, and this is great because I can just pop it in the freezer just like this, and then they take it out as they need it. I found a bunch of these little salad kits. The most expensive was the 206, and then the rest I believe were 165, and these are fabulous. Me and my husband love these for a quick lunch. Mushrooms for $1.88, and then these tomatoes, these bags of tomatoes for $1 each on markdown, so fabulous deal. Some carved grilled chicken breast for $1.80. This is going to be great for a quick lunch for me. And then onions because I was just out, and then their watermelon is $3.99. And we did stop at Starbucks at my Safeway because since I'm like part of their membership, their like delivery service, I get a $2 medium coffee once a month. So since the month is almost over, I told my husband, let's go get it. And that is what I got. So now I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. And hopefully we find some more great markdowns. Oh, just a little side note. There was no meat besides like hot dogs and stuff like that was on sale, but like no beef, no chicken, nothing like that. And I don't know if it's just because it's the holiday weekend, but even when I went a couple weeks ago, there was nothing. So at least we're finding the produce on sale and we can save on that. I will see you guys next week, and I hope everyone had a fabulous holiday weekend, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.